I truly believe that lives were saved, and we would not have been able to pull it off without easy texting. My name's David Stewart, and I work at the Center for Bariatrics at Bailey Medical Center, and I am the program director. Bailey Medical Center is a local hospital here in Owasso, Oklahoma. Bariatrics is the medical treatment of morbid obesity. So our program does gastric bypass, gastric sleeve surgeries for patients with morbid obesity. Our patients, they are considered the highest risk for deaths with COVID. I mean, it's just a fact. We've gone from doing about 150 surgeries a year to 700 surgeries last year. And it's just because I feel like we take care of the patient and have really focused on building this community. And easy texting has been just an instrumental tool to be able to do that. We were sending bulk emails and we just were not getting the response that we wanted. And so we used easy texting really as the platform to be able to communicate information to these support groups. The best thing about text message marketing is the response. It is the most efficient way to be able to connect with our patients. There's no doubt about it. When everything happened with COVID is we 100% switched to telemedicine. The platform that we had chose to use through telemedicine, the only way that we were going to be able to get that link to patients was through easy texting. And because of that, I was able to save jobs, and I take that responsibility as an employer very seriously, and everyone was able to retain their job. I truly believe that lives were saved because of the platform and because I was able to do these things and use easy texting to be able to move people forward. So it just makes a world of difference to know that I've met this person, I know this person, and they are alive today because we were able to keep the program going. And I know that sometimes it's hard to connect those dots, but we wouldn't have been able to do it without easy texting. It's just a fact.